I'm back at this now again. I'm just doing the brakes now. I have the far side done. Bit of a nightmare getting everything sorted for the first ones. I needed an 80mm socket for the hub, and I ended up ordering the wrong one. I ordered a Scania hub socket, and that's got an 8-point, which I never realised. And it took me a couple of days to get in studs as well. We have the far side done. I just started on this side now. I just took the brake caliper off there with bank holiday weekend. Saturday was. The seal on this was absolutely fucked. And the whole inside of the caliper, there's the brake adjuster, filled up with water and shite, and all this side was just caked with oil and rust, and nothing worked. So I took that off and I cleaned it up. I didn't have any grease for some reason for it, so I went and got that Saturday. It's Tuesday now because it's bank holiday. So I'm just going to get all this greased up. These sliders are a bit sticking. But I had a kit from before, and lucky enough I have a brand new seal in that. And I think I've got an okay of a slider there. So I'm going to pull these bolts out and clean up the sliders, and hopefully all I have to do is grease it and stick it back in. And then get it on to changing the brake. These brake discs look brand new, but the ABS rings are fucked in them. That's why I'm changing them. I like that all around, so I'm just going to do them all, get them done. Hopefully I'll never have to worry about them again. Right, just going to get started on that. Getting the brakes on this truck, they're going okay. The back were a pain in the hole, but the front ones are going okay. I've one just about done, everything's ready to go back on. The first thing I done was snap the bolt for the retaining bar that goes in here. Everything on this truck was copper grease, but so I don't know how that got stuck in there. But I'm just going to give it a couple of welds and try and get it out. That came out quite easy. I normally weld a nut on them, but I was watching oh shit, I forget his name on YouTube, and he's a mobile welder in America, and he's moving a lot of them. He was just doing it the last day. He said he always used a bolt, but he uses like a hardened bolt that has no coating on it, like the black bolts, so there's no zinc on it. So I'm going to save a couple of them bolts anymore, like the head bolts. That worked out really well, so it's very easy to weld it. Yeah, that was handy. It's been a year since I've done a video on this truck. I thought I'd do the last video to get it finished off. I had a couple of videos there of it being finished. I came out last night and I took a couple of videos of the lights. You can't see the top lights, the amber, too good because they kind of blur, but during the day they look really good. Oh, I might actually put them on so you can see them. This bed is getting sandblasted. I was talking to someone, I'm going to do it over the winter. He's going to do it really cheap for me, and I'm going to Raptor line it. I have a couple of things that I'm making. Once I've a couple of jobs done finishing there, I'll be coming on and finishing off this my ramps and stuff that I'll be making. At the back here, all my wires are perfect. These mud flaps are the best thing I've ever done. I've had no issues with any wiring over the year. My plan for the back here in an upcoming video is I want to do a fair lead that sets in here somewhere and sets off the side of the body on these, so I can winch off the side of the body anywhere, not damage the thing. So the fair lead will be here somewhere, so it'll slot in there. I want to be able to do it on the back as well, so I might use these, but I was thinking I might cut this one out. These rollers are working unreal. These pallet truck rollers, they're perfect condition still, and they roll real easy. But I don't really need this one because this body bends a bit like that. So I might cut this one out and make a fairly that fits in here. I'll see how it goes though. I haven't done anything with the spec yet. A whole year I haven't even used it, so I'll be doing that later on. Right, so that's the end of this truck and video anyway. So the next things I'll be doing will be the upgrades for it. So it'll be ramps, that fairly thing I want to do, and I don't know what else. Just setting it up, I suppose. I need lights for the front. I was on the road last night and dim lights are brilliant at the back, but I have nothing on the front. You can just about see them, so I want to get a set of spotlights up there. I'm going to do 2 corner lights and I'll do lights there. That'll be later on when the truck earns a bit more money. Toolboxes, I haven't filled them yet. Brilliant having so much space. Alright, I'll leave that build there. If you like that, will you like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Yeah, the body's been brilliant, and that winch setup is unreal. I'll never have a truck without it again. It's way better than the sliding winch back and over. Just you can pull any way you want, you never even have to worry about it. Oh, next video on the truck actually is winch remote. I put a cheap €40 receiver in here. It lasted 500k and it fell apart inside and melted. So I'll just be going with a low. I've been pricing them for the last week. I'm trying to get a cheaper one than Lodar. There's a couple out there, but for the sake of €50 I'm just going to go with Lodar, and it's just going to be the remote. I'll do a video on wiring that in and getting the emergency stop and stuff on. Alright, I'll leave that there. Thanks for watching.